So now we're going to create a little database in Postgres. I'm going to start Postgres shell and log in. Cool, I'm in. I can list out my databases. There they are. I actually have quite a few of them. Let's try that again. There we go. And I could create something new. So to create a database and not our class, right? And now if I list out my databases, there's a database Thanksgiving. I'm going to switch into Thanksgiving. Now you can see my terminal prompt changed from Postgres to Thanksgiving because I changed into Thanksgiving. And now if I look for my tables, I don't have any tables, also known as relations. I could create table. And what I want to make this first table, customers. And I want CID int. So field name, customer ID, int. And what's the auto number in Postgres? Postgres auto increment. Serial. Serial primary key. Try that. Serial primary key. And I don't know, do I need to do not null? See, it's been like 3 weeks since I've done Postgres, and already it's like leaving me, And then C first is going to be, is it text? Yeah, text. Text, not null. And that'll be plenty. And insert into customers values. When I do primary key, insert into customers, C first, values. How do we do it when it's insert into column values? Yeah, that's right. I haven't done it with serial before. Let's see what happens. James. Is it single quotes or double quotes? It's single. Well, I thought you'd do it for me. Has more expressions than target columns. Insert into customers, values. Oh, here we go. Jenny. Do I do? Yeah, each one. Amazing how fast it goes. Okay, there we go. Each one. There we go. And now if we look at our tables, we've got that. We've got customers and some other table. We're just going to look at customers. And we have CID, not null, default, next val, customers, right class, not null. And we could do select star from customers. Nice. I like serial. And that's right for a joke. And then the next thing we need to do is user with all kinds of things, permissions, and to do that, I think I'll look it up on GitHub. And in GitHub, we have Postgres and There's a users. Select current user, create user, grant privilege on database, alter user with James with super user. So we're going to create a new user. And kind of interested to select current user, postgres, details of user. So it gave me details of users. I've got Bond and postgres. And I'm going to create user. And we'll call it Turkey with password. What's password, y'all? You know it. Turkeys. Terrible day for turkeys. So I created that, and now what happens if we du? We've got turkey, but there's no attributes, right? What happens if we grant all privileges on database, Thanksgiving? I don't know what just happened there. I think I need a little bit more room. Grant all privileges on database, Thanksgiving to Turkey. And then we could du again. Still doesn't really say anything, right? And I could alter user Turkey with super user. And now Turkey's a super user. So we got Turkey with password gravy, and it's been given granted all privileges on the database Thanksgiving. I don't know where you see that. I'm not a Postgres expert. I'm just still learning it. But now that should be ready for us to use and to connect to. So we'll do our connections in the next video.